was doing that. You just.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
I think I'm gonna win today because
The sub-siblings. Wait, this is done, right? You f***ed.
I need 6. I need whole ones. Beautiful.
We're going to try to make dumplings. I'm making.
It's so delicate. Look at that. That is a fucking gel.
Welcome back to another cooking challenge between the sub-siblings. If you guys know, our dad is a chef, and even though he is an amazing cook, we do not practice.
Avocados out here. I'm making fried avocado imitation crab rolls.
Okay, well, but we're going to try to make dumplings.
That's yeah coated.
I know. We are going to try to make dumplings because we kind of tragically failed our last stir-fried noodle challenge. So we need to redeem ourselves, especially given that we are Chinese American. So let's get into it, and we're each going to talk about the dishes that we're making.
So I think I'm gonna win today because we just have some beautiful red Argentinian shrimp that my dad helped us, prep. There's a lot of that goes behind the scenes. Like my dad took a lot of time and care to shell everything. So I think with these beautiful ingredients, I'm gonna win. General idea, I think these shrimp are so beautiful that I think I'm just gonna, instead of chopping it up finally, like a lot of other dumplings, I wanna maintain the shape and keep it whole. Maybe, have you seen those Japanese whole prawn crackers? I wanna do like a fried wonton version of it.
What I am going to do is I'm going to take this frozen shrimp and cook it. Do something with it. Perhaps use some cabbage and chop it up thinly, as well as chop it up the shrimp thinly. But he's gonna use the fresh Argentinian shrimp, and I'm gonna use the frozen one. And I'm gonna take some of the shrimp heads and create a broth.
Soup dumpling. Soupy. Got it. Hey guys, I'm Isa, and for my dumpling, I'm just going to make a classic jiaozi. So it's gonna have pork, cabbage, and I think I'm gonna drizzle it with, actually, last time I got in trouble for having too much chili oil. So I'm going to make a chili oil vinegar scallion sauce just for him to dip. But I don't think classic should lose. So if I have time, maybe I could turn it into a pot sticker. We'll see. So let's get cooking.
Yeah, let's get cooking.
How do you know what I use?
Okay. Isabel, Lucas is cheating already. She's already using like online recipes. Wait, do shrimp dumplings also have pork in it? I need the rest. Wait. You need the rest. I need 6. Use some of this.
I need 6.
I need
whole ones. Use the
whole
cooked
ones?
shrimp.
I need whole ones.
Why?
I was gonna take the whole and wrap it around. Like, take these.
No, I'm wrapping it. I'm making the hot stickers now.
I was doing that. You just
hacked
my idea.
No.
Oh, okay, you're gonna do it now?
Yeah, I've been doing that.
Okay, then I'll do something different.
Okay, fine. You do it.
You guys hold on for a second?
Yeah.
I'm pissed.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
I'm pissed. Just
346 minutes later.
Okay, what are you doing right now?
I'm mincing ginger for everybody so that
For myself.
So what are you guys making?
I'm making
I think I'm just gonna
ciabatta.
regular schmegler. Ow.
So have you seen those Din Tai Fung ciabatta pork?
Churro Buddha?
Kurabuda. Alright. Kurabuda pork shrimp pot stickers. I'm doing that but with the shrimp inside. A whole shrimp.
Oh, okay. What are you making?
Dumplings.
Wait, but I'm making dumplings.
Maybe I'll make Asian version of ravioli. Huh?
I'm making classic dumplings, but maybe I'll do a rice paper style one and then pan fry it. I don't know. Try.
I don't know how this is gonna taste, guys. Is this garlic though in this shit? Is this minced enough? I feel like it shrinks though when it cooks. Do I gotta put mirin in this shit?
So we're doing the exact same shit, Lucas?
No. All audible.
Huh?
All audible.
What's audible?
Switch.
Huh?
Girl, switch it up. Okay, if someone wants to take the big shrimp idea and just wrap the pork around it, so it's like a pork wrap shrimp.
No, because it can't have cabbage if it's gonna do that.
Not necessarily. Not audible. I can also do a honyo chao show.
That's what I was trying to do.
Okay, then you do that.
But there's no cabbage in the recipe.
Huh?
Oops, no cabbage in the recipe.
Then you want to just use this, and I'll use that? No. Here, you use this.
No, because you didn't. No. It's
For a
fine.
honyo chao show, I'll use. I don't know how good yours looks.
You make yours. It's so pretty. We're gonna have a fire sauce.
Hot sauce.
Doesn't matter. It's all about the wrapping.
I have no idea what I'm doing.
I think I'll just gonna wait. What are you gonna make? God, why don't you just do the honyo chao show? Or okay, you do the cornstarch slurry with these dumplings. I'm gonna wrap this around this. I'm gonna do pork wrap, just pork and cabbage, and I'll do the whole thing. So you just make the cornstarch slurry gyoza, and then use the rest of these shrimps. I'm saying this then, right? I have a choice.
Where's the garlic? This garlic?
Where's the garlic sauce from yesterday?
Thank you. Have you guys made dumplings before? I've never made dumplings.
Right.
Fun fact: our dad says that dumplings are not his specialty. Yes, French food actually is.
I forget.
You know, every like grandma has their own dumpling recipe, but yeah, you don't have to. It's probably better just to.
This mixture is so interesting. Honestly, I mixed that pretty well. The meat looks pretty dark as well.
I want it to be flavorful. I might just do gyoza style.
I feel like I need to process this more.
Here we go. Guys, I never wrapped gyoza as a kid.
Did we never do that with you?
This is what I got. Look. Not good. Luckily, we have a million skins. Okay, take two.
I actually really love playing dumplings like this.
Guys, I just got deja vu, and it was a go trading a piece with me, and I ended up winning.
Really?
Yeah, watch.
Dude, why do you want to change?
Because I just had an idea. In theory, this is what I'm trying to do.
Oh yeah, let's go, Case. Oh yeah, yes. This might be my challenge.
Just doing what I'm doing.
So you push it at the top, middle first, and then you. Okay, I overstuffed it.
Like this.
Then you fold it on one side. So you fold the right, and then you push to the left, and then you fold the left. That.
I'm doing exactly that.
So good. Dude, my wrapping is low key giving like I was an Asian grandma and another.
Guys, I can't do this.
The tail's
You
supposed
can
to
no,
be
you
like...
can. Dude, what is that? Dude, don't lose your.
What are you doing, Lucas?
Don't lose your delicious filling.
Guys, I don't know what I made.
What the? This is bad. Hey Lucas, the other option is just go like this. You fold it in a triangle and then you stuff it like that. That's the other option.
I was gonna make ravioli.
Medallion. Dude, I don't think you should do that American stuff. It's gonna be...
Ravioli. Okay, so what do I do here?
What are you doing? Which style? That one? Okay, you have to circle it on the semicircle. You fold it in the top, middle. You can't overstuff it. That's the most important part. You pinch it, pinch the top, pinch the left, and then you fold to the right side with the front. So you make multiple folds. You push it at the same time. While on the left, you hold it down and then
You don't. I don't fold the back.
No, it's only the front.
Like that.
Yeah, that's pretty good. And then you can just press it.
Is this kind of lit? Is this kind of giving?
Okay, what's going on? We have some boiled water, some pot stickers. I'm gonna leave. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Dang. Shit. Wait, your wrapping's not bad. Good job, your wrapping's good. What they don't know, I have the secret Din Tai Fung chili oil wonton sauce.
Just worry about it, not me.
Are you putting your dumplings in?
Yeah.
I don't know why I did that.
It's because it's the new year. We're actually not fighting in this challenge. We're just working together.
We're actually insanely quiet. This I don't know why.
We're nervous. Our dad's not gonna like it, so we're focused. Okay, go. Wait, this one's not mine though. Wait, this one's mine?
Bro, we don't know. We're working together.
Wait, mine is the big one. Who put mine in? Is that currently being fried? So you took mine? Wait, these are, oh, so I wrapped those?
Yeah.
So Luke, and then these are Lucas's. Okay. Which is left, guys?
Make it that so that it's flaky. I forgot.
Loki, it's not steamed enough. You need more time. You see it's all red still.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Just put more water. You're right. Put more water. Put more water.
I'll put water. I'm gonna put water.
Oh, that's hot. Move.
What's the difference? Oh, that's better, huh? Okay, got it. No water.
Mine looks really good.
Yeah, what the? This is Guangdong soika.
It's a whole shrimp wrapped with pork.
So I wrapped these and then Lucas wrapped these, but I made the chili oil sauce, so we're working together.
So I'm steaming mine right now because I just love using the steamer aesthetically. It's really cute, and I think on a presentation perspective, it'll look really nice when you put it on the table. I also like how when you steam it, the skin of the dumplings get a little chewier and a little dense. I know my dad likes that texture, so.
What did you put in your dumpling?
So for my dumpling, I butterflied a shrimp again, and then I kind of stuffed it with a pork filling. So again, I'm doing a surf and turf.
So I am currently making a cornstarch slurry because I'm going to put it onto my pot stickers and create a little crust for my pot stickers.
Where'd you get the inspo from?
TikTok.
So I'm gonna heat up some oil and then use a bunch of spices like white pepper, chicken bouillon, and some red pepper flakes. And then I'm gonna use hot oil to sizzle onto the sauce with some scallions and also just like some chili oil, some vinegar, so that it kind of makes this like really addictive sweet and sour soy sauce, like sauce that goes on the wontons. So we're all here right now working together. So is this for the normal hot sticker sauce?
Yes. Use chili oil.
Wait, I think this is almost done, you guys.
Wait, you know what? I know it's your business. You want to go like this, one side, and then. Oh yeah, because it's not something that way. Yeah, do it. Really fun. You put the water in. No. You're right. You put it, but then that side is the one. It's always on the side. It's not always getting out. So yeah. Just keep it on the side. I was looking at your
Wait, is this done, right? You f***ed us?
If it floats, it's done. Just take it off. Guys, I don't want to overcook my beautiful dish, okay?
Dude, what?
Your beautiful dish is over good.
Hey, you guys, working on this.
Y'all, get away from my pot stickers.
Whoa. Dude, Lucas's looks fire. Are you doing slurry? Do the slurry. Is yours done, Luda?
Yeah, mine's done.
Okay, go. Try this. Mmm! It's really good. Lucas, you wanna try?
Can you get that as well?
This is done. Wait, these are beautiful.
Give Dad the pretty ones.
These are the pretty ones.
Good job, Isabel.
Dude, this is so good.
Fuck yeah.
It's like really big. I'm putting the prettiest ones in there.
Come on. Like, yeah, that milk is still cold.
Yeah.
Moment of truth. Hey!
Damn it. I tried.
Very nice. Very nice. Okay, dumpling challenge today. 红油抄手 steamed dumpling with a Argentinian red shrimp with a ginger. Needs a pinch of sugar. And then the pasticker with a pasticker sauce.
That's
There's XO sauce.
So actually everybody wrapped different ones and everyone made different fillings and everyone made different sauces.
We worked together on
That's
this
the
one.
that's the whole point.
So this one wasn't really much of a competition.
Perfect cooked. Beautiful little wontons, but wrapped in a 水饺 kind of way. The filling is a little blend.
Didn't put enough seasoning.
I seasoned it.
Alright.
With my no taste.
Wait, but how's the
Steamed shrimp.
sauce?
No, that's been waiting for this one.
Steamed shrimp. The sauce is fine.
There's juice.
Some XO sauce in there, I think.
Is it cooked?
Didn't bind together. The meat's a little dry. Needs a little bit more fat. Beautiful though. The sauce is a little. The hei tzu needs a sugar, which we just added. The sauce is fine. Beautiful.
That's Isabel's season.
This already, you know, looks very promising. Beautiful crust. So they did the slurry. Very nicely done. The sauce looks perfect.
How's the flavor?
This one's good.
So when you guys make the filling, be sure you to put that cornstarch and then you beat it with a little bit of oil.
Oh, right.
And the green onion, the ginger, and to bring out this little bit of sausage texture. Otherwise, the filling is all going to be a little dry. Everything is perfectly cooked, beautifully presented. Everybody did something different.
Okay, rate each one's wrapping, the filling, and the sauce.
And the aesthetic.
Everybody's execution is really good.
Oh, really?
Everybody's filling needs that kind of like you pick the meat up and you throw it back in the thing so it becomes more juicy. This one is very well done, very well cooked. The sauce is a little strong because it has chilies and XO sauce and vinegar. It's all the right things. It eats really well though. So this one was a close third, but then now the second bite is starting to taste really good. This one looks the best, but it kind of never like melted the meat and the prawns. A little dry, needs a little bit more flavor. This is a hard dish to make because you need to keep it delicate.
But that's wrapping, that's a part of the...
Because the shrimp has delicate flavors and you have to keep it delicate. Well, this one's number one.
Why is it number one then?
So the execution, it's all above B+. This one obviously it sticks a little bit, could be a disaster, but thankfully it didn't stick that bad. This one was done really well. This execution is a little better than this, but this one's the hardest to execute because you will never know what the crust looks like until you turn it over. However, these pot stickers, they are fried they're one side and then they're turned again. But I personally just like pan fried things more. Where's the pot sticker?
I just got deja vu, and it was a go trading a piece with me, and I ended up winning.
Really?
Dad announced the winner. Whoa.
No, this is gas. I don't know what you're saying. This is so good.
I finally win.
Wait, try this.
Thanks, Dad.
It's so delicate.
Look at that.
It's like light. Delicate.
Whoa! That's fire!
It's sweet. No, I didn't try this.
Wow, this is fun to eat. The food's a little dry. Yeah, I love this one though. So, I made the filling for that and
Can
we
you
just
taste
cooked
it at all?
And then Viggo made the filling for this, and I made the sauce, and then
I wrapped it.
Yeah, and then Viggo made that one. For the egg. It's so good.
Did we need egg yolk? Yeah, it's fun. Make a couple more of the.
Well,
Honestly, it's about I'll send some too. Wait, give me.
你们也少吃点，不要吃多了。